Could your diet be erasing your memory? Are you aware that you could be experiencing memory lapses? You might be facing difficulties with memory, and you shouldn't attribute it to your genes, your grandfather, or even your great-grandfather, who might have also experienced this. Would it surprise you to know that the reason could lie in your diet, or more precisely, in your poor eating habits? The connection between diet and neurodegenerative diseases is a topic of growing interest and awareness. Now, considering this perspective, think, does it sound familiar that nowadays the main cause of dementia, including Alzheimer's, lies precisely in diet? However, the purpose of this video is not to detail what factors can harm your brain. Instead, we will delve into exploring foods that can enhance your brain activity, stimulate your mind, and contribute to the efficient functioning of the brain in neurotransmitter production. These foods not only benefit memory, but also provide advantages to intelligence. Here are 9 extraordinarily powerful foods that you can incorporate into your daily diet. Number 1, fatty fish. These come from deep waters, contributing to increased levels of fatty acids, especially omega-3. This component is essential in the structure of neuronal tissue. In fact, its importance is such that it is included in infant formulas to promote neuronal development in newborns. Therefore, omega-3 fatty acids not only stand out for their anti-inflammatory potential, but also play a crucial role in neuronal stimulation. Number 2, caffeine. Caffeine, notable for its relevance, has been the subject of numerous studies highlighting its ability to boost energy levels, strengthen defenses, reduce inflammation, and facilitate DNA repair. In this context, the specific antioxidants present in coffee have enormous potential in neuronal development, further supported by research revealing its positive impact on neurotrophic factors. Number 3, blueberries. Blueberries stand out as a superfood with specific benefits that could be particularly relevant for Alzheimer's prevention. Their abundant content of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and polyphenols, has shown neuroprotective properties that could help reduce the risk of cognitive decline associated with this disease. Studies suggest that regular consumption of blueberries could contribute to improving brain function and memory while combating oxidative stress, a key factor in Alzheimer's development. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory capacity and positive influence on blood sugar regulation may offer additional benefits, strengthening their potential as a valuable component in promoting brain health and preventing neurodegenerative conditions. Number 4, turmeric. Turmeric stands out as a powerful ally for health. Daily, new research highlights its significant potential in terms of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Specific studies underline its relevance in reducing inflammation, especially in diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and depression. Additionally, as mentioned earlier with coffee, turmeric acts as a prominent stimulator of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a crucial element in neuronal growth. Number 5, broccoli. This vegetable exhibits remarkable characteristics. Firstly, it stands out for its vitamin K content, essential for the synthesis of one of the fundamental lipids in neuronal structure, known as sphingolipids. Furthermore, broccoli presents a distinctive antioxidant profile, with sulforaphane being a notable component. While sulforaphane offers various benefits related to detoxification and hormone biotransformation, it has been observed to play a relevant role in supporting female hormonal health. In the realm of brain development, both sulforaphane and other antioxidants and polyphenols present in broccoli become vital elements for protection. Number 6, pumpkin seeds. These seeds are a rich source of polyphenols and carotenoids, classifications that encompass various beneficial phytonutrients and antioxidants for health. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are particularly abundant in zinc, whose connection to memory has been highlighted. This food also stands out for its high magnesium content, a mineral that triggers over 400 biochemical functions in the body. Many of these functions are directly related to improving relaxation, sleep, memory, brain development, neuronal transformation, and cellular regeneration. In summary, consuming magnesium-rich foods is a valuable contribution to achieving the recommended daily intake of 400 milligrams, making pumpkin seeds an excellent resource for enhancing health. Number 7. Cocoa. Cocoa, beyond being a culinary delight, has demonstrated significant benefits for brain health, including prevention and support against Alzheimer's. Its richness in antioxidants, especially flavonoids, plays a crucial role in protecting brain cells against oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, cocoa contains substances that stimulate the release of endorphins, improving mood and reducing stress, factors linked to overall mental health. Moderate cocoa consumption has been associated with cardiovascular benefits, and a healthy heart is essential to ensure proper blood flow to the brain. Higher quality cocoa with greater health benefits is generally found in dark chocolate varieties with a high cocoa percentage. The common recommendation is to opt for chocolate containing at least 70% cocoa. Among dark chocolate varieties, those with a higher cocoa percentage, such as 85% or even higher, are often preferable. These chocolates are less processed and contain less sugar, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of cocoa without compromising its nutritional quality. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are cherished by many as a delicious and nutritious snack. Among their brain benefits, their abundant fiber content stands out, playing a crucial role in managing glucotoxicity. Fiber contributes to slowing the rate of glucose absorption during digestion, thus improving metabolic health. Additionally, it promotes the balance of intestinal microbiota, which in turn enhances the connection between the gut and the brain. Some varieties, like almonds, have a notable concentration of melatonin, a key hormone for sleep with outstanding antioxidant properties. It is crucial to understand that melatonin is not just a purchased pill, but a substance naturally produced by the body. This hormone plays an essential role in regulating the natural sleep cycle, synthesized between 7 and 9 in the evening. Besides its function in sleep, melatonin acts as a powerful antioxidant for the brain, even marking the moment of ovulation and connecting with female hormones to regulate this process. Number 9. Eggs. Eggs stand out as one of the most complete and nutritious foods available. They represent a superfood with exceptionally high biological value protein, considered the reference in comparison to other protein sources. To meet the daily need for approximately 500 milligrams of choline, it is possible to include eggs in the diet, as one egg provides around 112 milligrams of choline. In this regard, the idea of excluding the egg yolk due to concerns about cholesterol, phytate, and other components is misguided. There is a misconception that egg consumption could increase cholesterol, but it is important to remember that dietary cholesterol is presented in a form called esterified cholesterol, which is not assimilated directly. Evidence supports the idea that you can enjoy eggs in your daily diet without worries, as often as you wish, without negatively impacting your health. In this fascinating journey, we have explored together the striking connection between diet and brain health. From the powerful omega-3 fatty acids in deep sea fish to the antioxidants in blueberries, each food we have discovered has the potential to enhance our minds and protect our brain health. This knowledge gives us the opportunity to make informed decisions about our diet and lifestyle, thereby contributing to the long-term preservation of our brain health. Remember, it's not just about avoiding what harms, but embracing and enhancing what nourishes. If this information has been helpful, share it with those you think may also benefit. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to receive more tips and tricks on how to keep your body and mind in optimal conditions. Give it a like if you're eager to maintain your vitality, and share this video with your loved ones and friends. Together, we will achieve a better quality of life.